Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to set up a Minecraft server. I'm posting this tutorial because it has annoyed me with the lack of information the internet has about hosting a Minecraft server, and I have had to dig every single time I tried to put one up. But this time I was smart enough to write myself a note on how to set it up once I'd figured it from like the last time when I'd figured it out. So I'm going to hopefully be able to show you that today, provided that everything goes well and that my instructions to myself were legible. So the first thing I'm doing is here I'm on my Mindspan page. So you're going to want to start off with a service provider, and so I'm with Mindspan. If this is what you're doing with a paid server, this is what you want. So we have the Iron plan, I believe. And so here's the Iron plan. 8 gigs. We decided that 4 gigs was slightly laggy. I'm not sure what the specs actually are because I'm not a professional at this, but it seems to me that 8 gigs has been working pretty well for us, and so that's what we're going to go with again. So I've ordered that. I have my account. I'm going to log in. There I am. Log in. So this is my Mindspan. So I'm going to click on the 2 services that I have, and I'm looking at the Iron plan here because this is the one that I would like to work on right now, because the other one is for a vanilla server and this one is going to be our Infinity server. I'm just going to go ahead and close that because I'll open it again in a minute. And so right down at the bottom is your Multicraft login. So we're going to click that to start with. So this will be sent to you in an email. You're going to have your username and a password that they send you. For some reason I've been able to change mine. I can't remember why or when, but this is what we're going with. So we're going to log in, and this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like my friend has changed the name of the server. But this is the one we're using right now. So we're going to go back to get to the main page here. Okay. So it shows that it's inactive. It's a vanilla server right now. So we had an old server on this channel, or on this thingy, the server page, whatever it's called. And what I did is, the first thing I did is I got rid of it. So I took the whole thing down. So to begin, you're going to want to select the vanilla server and just go ahead and run that. So everything is removed from the file access area, and now I'm running the new server so I can get back the original vanilla files. Now through trial and error I discovered that you need these original files to proceed. So now we have all of the files that we're going to need on this part to proceed. So next we're going to want to download a program called FileZilla. Now I already have it downloaded. I'm going to show you. It is, there it is, FileZilla FTP client. So I'm going to open that now. Just get rid of this download page. Alright. So here it is. So here's FileZilla. I'm going to now go back to the Mindspan hosting page, and I'm going to click on Files and FTP File Access. Alright. I'm going to copy the host name. Okay, fine. I'm going to copy the host name. There we go. Copied. And I'm going to go back to FileZilla. You're probably going to make fun of me for having my taskbar at the top, but that's okay, because that's where I like it, just because I'm weird. And here is my username. Now, me and my friends have put up many servers before, but for whatever reason, I can never remember the next time I go to do it. And so, that's why I'm going to create this tutorial, both for you guys and for myself. And I'm pretty sure I remember my password for FileZilla. That's the same one as we logged into the Mindspan earlier. So from that main, we logged into your Multicraft client. So you're going to be on Mindspan. That's when we clicked on this Multicraft login button. It came up with another screen where you had to log in. That's the same password as in here, I believe. And if not, it's in your email, so you can double check. All right, so there's my password. The port is 21, and quick connect. There we go. All right, so these are all the files brought up with the vanilla that we're going to keep. All right, so we're going to open up the downloads page for the server. I'm not sure how I went about finding this. I think I just googled. Right now we're doing the new Infinity Evolved for Minecraft, and so I'm pretty sure I just googled FTB Infinity Evolved server, because I couldn't find it on the main Feed the Beast website, and so I've gone ahead and downloaded the server, and it's in my documents now, or it's in my downloads now. Where is that? Alright, downloads. Do I have it? Okay, so it's in the downloads. And then I opened it up, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so what we're gonna need is we're not going to touch any of this stuff at the bottom here. It's only the files above that we need. We already have an EULA in here. There's your EULA. You're gonna have to make sure you accepted that. I should have mentioned that earlier, but you're gonna have to accept that before you run the vanilla server, otherwise it's not gonna work. I'll make a note when I go back now and edit this. So yeah, you're not gonna need that EULA, and this here is gonna be the server file, and everything else is going to be your files to run it. Now, the part that I got confused about before was that you have to take the libraries folder and put it in the jar folder, which is really weird. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that. Libraries go in jar. Don't ask me why, guys. No idea. And you're going to have to not only take the server file over here, but also the corresponding vanilla version, and put it in the jar file. So we're going to see what's in the jar file now. So it should be libraries, and it'd be nice if it opened. You might have to wait. Okay, well, we'll do this the other way. So we're going to go on here back to our, I'll get rid of that, back to the Mindspan. So this is the FTP file access again. So we're going to just show you that again. Files, FTP file access, login. Alright, so now we can see what's in here. Same as in your file access, your FTP file access here. So your FileZilla is more useful when you're dragging and dropping and uploading large quantities of files and large files themselves. Whereas this one, I use this to edit and accept the EULA here. See, EULA equals true. Okay, now I also like to use this if I mess up and delete everything, because I can just simply click all and then click the delete button, and that gets rid of it so much faster than FileZilla. Alright, so let's take a little look here. We're looking at the jar folder. And so right now all that's in there is libraries and the Minecraft server from the vanilla version we were running earlier. So now we don't want this vanilla version anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and click that and click delete. And we're going to want to download we're going to want to download 1.7.10 because that is the version that Infinity currently uses. And so that's going to be, I use Curse for my Minecrafting purposes because it is so much quicker in my opinion. Oh, hello. Okay, and I have the old Infinity up here as just a reference in case I get confused by something or mess up. So I'm going to open Curse, and I'm going to show you where I found that information about what version of Minecraft the Feed the Beast uses. Alright, let's go, curse. There you go, Minecraft. There's my Infinity. And I believe it should say right in here somewhere. Yeah, Minecraft version 1.7.10 right here. See that? So that's the one that we're going to go and download. Now, I've already done that. So that is in downloads again. I think. Because I used it for the last version, because the version of Minecraft hasn't changed for Infinity, but this is a new version of Infinity. So there's the Infinity ones, and we can find the Minecraft one. That one. Oh, really? Yeah, we did it. So now we're dropping that one in here. Now it hasn't refreshed itself because we have to manually refresh it on here for that to work, so we're just going to do that now. And hopefully it'll be the right version of Minecraft in there now. There we go, 1.7.10. Okay. That took a long time. Alright, I'm going to get rid of this now. And what am I doing? So that was 1.7.10. What is this? Oh, that's not right. What'd I do? Oh no, we're good. Okay. Now this is the FTB Server 1.7.10, and we're gonna drag and drop that one as well. Okay. Now, while it does that, I'm going to go back to here. Get rid of that one, and oh, never mind. Did it wrong again. There it is. Okay. Log in. Seal. Log in. And now we're gonna go back, because I want to go back to the main page, and I'm going to change this. So now we don't want it to be vanilla, so we're going to change it to custom server, because that's the one I'm going to be using. So custom server, and now you'll see that the jar file down here is named custom server.jar. So I'm just going to copy the custom server part, and I'm going to paste that as the new file name for the file we just. Where is it? Oh, I'm gonna refresh it. Put it in here, hopefully. There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna rename this one v .jar, I guess, because it needs to say a jar file. And yeah, so that looks all good. All right, so now that part's done. So the libraries folder, the renamed jar file, and the downloaded Minecraft server file are all in here, like hopefully they're supposed to be. So I'm going to go back up to the main directory. Alright, now the next thing is the other folders here. So not the libraries one, but the config, the mod pack, and the mods. Control click. Click. And I believe that is all. I don't think we need the bat files or the sh files or the .json files. I'm going to double check that now in a minute. Boop. And hopefully that actually, so I just dragged and dropped it in here, and it's going to take a little while to do that now, see? Alright, perfect. Now I'm just going to check on the old version just to see what correlates, see if there's anything I'm missing, if I need the .json file or anything like that. Alright, so in here we have ASM, blueprints, config. Some of these are going to generate once it loads, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm just going to check, I'm going to cross-reference the files in here with the ones that we downloaded under here. So let's just take a look, just to make sure. So we don't need the EULA because we already have that. No, we don't have any .bat files. Version.json isn't present. And we don't have any .sh files. So that's it. Perfect. Okay. So logically, once this loads, it will be good to go. Fingers crossed now. I'm not expecting a perfect run on the first time because that barely ever happens to me. But we're going to hope and then just edit things from there. Alright. I'll see you guys once this is done loading.